In the fight against COVID and its variants, every new tool helps. A smartphone cough app, which can detect the virus, is showing promising results.
Since it began sweeping around the world, the detective work to track down COVID has rested largely with the PCR test.
It's shipped to a lab, so it often takes 24 plus hours. It's quite expensive.
And while rapid antigen testing is far quicker, the reassuring wash of crimson over the test strip taking 15 minutes, it has less accuracy, and temperature checks have an even poorer strike rate.
Unfortunately, temperature checks are only around 20% accurate.
But Australian biotech company ResApp Health, which has already made significant advances using phone technology in diagnosing ailments such as asthma and pneumonia by a patient's cough, believes